Hello friends, I'm happy to announce you that we have recently created a web portal for web stories whose link is webstories.chemistrynoteinfo.com. Don't worry, I'm give the link of that portal in the description of this podcast. So on that portal you can learn science and chemistry with web stories, and you can see many web stories which can ignite your curiosity and provide you with a deeper understanding of chemical reactions and chemical compounds. Whether you are a student, a curious mind, or a seasoned scientist, you can join us on a journey through the captive stories that make us the tapestry of chemistry. Friends, you can see all the web stories related to science and chemistry on this portal, like oxidation number of all elements in periodic table, 100 basic chemistry terminologies, Indian Space Research Organization, density, its formula, definition, units, example, how to measure density, organic chemistry, basic principles, some basic concept of chemistry, hydrogen, the fuel of future, atomic structure, lithium ion batteries, understanding the identity, strength, purity, potency of drug substances, uses of chemistry in everyday life, contribution of many scientists in making of today's life easy, famous scientists and their inventions, redox reactions, study of matter and its properties, and so many other stories which you can see and learn easily with these stories. So friends, I will provide you the link of these web stories in the description of this podcast, so you can visit that portal and learn from web stories. And as we all know, web stories are very important method to learn because they have visuals, they have videos, images which can make you relate with the science and some terminologies and increase your understanding about science and chemistry. Thank you to listening this podcast. You can visit our website www.chemistrynoteinfo.com, or you can visit our web stories portal at webstories.chemistrynoteinfo.com to learn science and chemistry.